These 3 apps are the fastest paying apps that can help you make $120 per day easily and without doing any hard work. So like this video, and let's start with the first app, named MyFreeapp. Don't get confused with the name. Just head over to myfreeapp.io. This is a brand new play-to-earn games platform where you can find tons of apps and games to install and start earning money online. As you can see, you can get paid for playing games, testing apps, completing tasks, and even earning prizes. The best part is that you can earn up to $120 per app or game you install and complete, with your first reward taking just about an hour. Amazing, right? MyFreeapp offers a wide range of payment methods: PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Spotify gift cards, Apple gift cards, Google Play, and so much more. You only need to earn $1 to make your first withdrawal through gift card, which is super convenient. To start making money, all you need to do is sign up yourself and log into your account. Once you log in, you will find different apps and games. Just pick an app or game, read the task description, install the app on your phone, and complete the task. Boom, the money is credited to your account. But there is one major downside of this app. MyFreeapp is currently available in just a few top-tier countries. But don't worry. If it's not available in your country, you can use the second app, which is called Ipsos. This app is available in over 70 countries, including India and the United States. So chances are you can start earning no matter where you are. But if you want me to create videos that especially work in your country, then comment down telling your country name. Ipsos lets you earn money by taking online surveys. Plus, you can cash out through multiple payment methods like Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Starbucks, and even directly to your Visa debit card. They also have an app for both Android and iOS devices. You can just install their app on your smartphone and start making money online. Getting started with Ipsos is super easy. Just sign up using your email and phone number, answer some quick questions about yourself so Ipsos can match you with the best surveys that you can complete and start earning. Now, sometimes it's tough to find surveys or offers to complete, and that's where our third app comes in. This app is the highest paying app compared to other apps that I've showed you. On this app, you will always find offers, apps, games, or other tasks to complete, no matter where you are from. Let me show you how much people are earning on this app. Check this out. Scout from the US has made over $900 in just 24 days. Another user from the United Kingdom has earned $431 in just 1 month. And get this, GM Crew 28 earned a whopping $1,300 in just 10 days. Now, the name of this website is FreeCash. To start earning with FreeCash, just head over to freecash.com and sign up. You can use your email, Google, or even your Steam account. Once you're in, claim your sign-up bonus, which could be anywhere from 5 cents up to $250. Just for joining. Now here's the good part. FreeCash has tons of games and apps you can install to earn money online. Whether you're on Android, iOS, or even a desktop, there's something for everyone. Just pick the offer that suits you, install the game or app, and start earning. Some tasks pay instantly, while others may take a couple of days to credit, but the rewards are well worth the wait. For example, you can earn $8 just for installing the Alibaba app and opening it for some time. Or if you're into games, try out the Call of Dragons game. You could earn up to $300 just by reaching certain milestones in the game. It's that simple. Now, if you want me to show you my withdrawal proof from FreeCash, help me get over 500 likes on this video and comment FreeCash withdrawal proof below. I'll make a dedicated video showing you the live proof. That's it for today. I hope these apps will help you make some decent money. Now, if you want to earn $4,500 in 1 month, then watch this video.